I guess I'm one of those YouTubers that browses on Amazon looking for that one cool gadget that no one has made a video about, or I'm just curious about something that I found, and I think I found another cool one. This right here is an AI glasses, which you guys can't see right now, but I'm using navigation to navigate to the park that I'm walking to. This thing has a built-in navigation that I can see in my field of view, but I doubt anyone else can see it. This right here has wildly surpassed my expectations. This is something that I didn't think nothing of when I saw it on Amazon, but I was like, I'm very curious. So I pulled the trigger and I bought it. And boy, this thing is quite impressive. So if you're looking for an AI glasses that does not have a camera because you're worried about privacy, or maybe you're just looking for alternative to, glasses like the Inmo Go 3 or the Even Realities, this might be the right one for you. It has an AI assistant, it has a teleprompter, it has a translation, it has a navigation, and it has a couple of smart features or smart settings that I was kind of blown away by. So for example, this is a dual display, but in the settings, you can choose to only see it on one eye. So if you want to only see it on your left eye, you can choose to see it only on your left eye. And if you want to see it only on your right eye, you can do that. And if you want to see it on both eyes, you can also do that. It also has a smart feature where, for example, I'm using the navigation right now and it stays on, but I can choose where if I look up, I will see the navigation, and if I look back straight, it will disappear. And if I look left, I can see the music playing. Oh, and it has the speakers, by the way. The speakers also do sound good. If I look left, I can see the music playing. If I look right, I can see my notifications, messages, and things like that. And then it has a live streaming feature where you can listen to NBA games. I mean, this is not something I was expecting at all. I guess I was just, because I've never heard of the company before, I guess I wasn't expecting to be impressed, and boy, I am so far. So these are some of the things that he has. Oh, and I noticed something else too. When it's navigating you, it flashes when it's time for you to turn, which I just realized because it was time for me to turn and it just started flashing. And it has a compass. The compass also, it shows around as you are moving. Man, I want to take a picture or record it, but it will be very, very hard because the display, it has automatic brightness. So it can adjust the lighting, it can adjust the display levels based on the lighting in your surroundings. It has an ambient light sensor on the side. So for example, on days like this where it's super bright out, it will just turn the display to max brightness. Now I would say the display is a bit harder to see, but I can still see the street. It's just a little bit harder. It's just I have to focus a little bit more, but I can understand why, because you don't want the display in your entire field of view while you're walking or riding your bike. The GPS, the navigation does have a walking and riding mode, so you can use your bike.
Now, no device is perfect, and neither is this. As a matter of fact, this one is far from perfect. So let's get into some of the cons that this device has from my usage. So number one is you sort of have to keep this app open for it to work properly. And what I do is I click on this right here, and you see this part on your phone that says keep open. You want to click on that. So now every time you swipe, the app will remain. You see, it's not going anywhere. So that will allow the AI to keep on working without interruptions. But the next con that I would say is a big one is the AI assistant. So you don't have the option to choose between, Gemini or ChatGPT or whatever, like some other glasses that I have used. This one, you don't even get a proper way of waking up. I mean, I guess the simple way is to say AI lens, and then the glasses will wake up, and then you can ask it some questions. Now, the big con in regards to that is that sometimes the connections can be very, very slow. So you might ask the AI questions, and then it won't give you an answer for like another 6 seconds. Sometimes it doesn't give you the answer at all, and you have to close the app, reopen it. So that's kind of like buggy. Now there is an update on the device that I saw, but I've tried to install it multiple times, but for some reason on the glasses it shows that update was successful, but on the app it shows update was failed. So I don't know, maybe that's the update that was supposed to fix the AI stuff. So there is that. And then the third thing that I would say is a con is the brightness, right? When you're outdoors, while you can see the display in some situations, for the most part, if you're struggling, if you're trying to really get a detailed view, then you'd have to put your hand over your face or look at a wall or something for you to see the display properly. It would have been nice if this had a sunshade, but this one doesn't have a sunshade, so that's another con. Another con it has is, since it doesn't have a camera, it can't help you with visual aids. So for example, you can't look at something and say, tell me what this is, or ask if you should, what are these plans. It also doesn't have the ability to set reminders. Most of the AI glasses that I've actually tested don't have the ability as well, except Meta. Meta is the only one that has the ability to set reminders and timers and things like that. If you can deal with this, and hopefully maybe the updates fix some of the AI responses, then this might be a great AI glasses. What I would say though is navigation always works. As long as I've tried this app, the navigation always works. Phone calls always works. A text message, you always get them. So those things are very consistent as long as you remember you keep the app open.
So if you're looking for an AI glasses that has navigation, teleprompter, text, you can answer calls, reply to text message, and all that stuff, I think this might be the right one for you. Once again, I found this on Amazon. The company that made it, I believe, is ThinkaR and stuff like that. And the AI assistant on it, I don't know which module they use. There is no option to change the settings. If you want to use the AI assistant, all you gotta do is say AI lens and then proceed to ask your question. And it also has a conversation mode with the AI, so you don't have to constantly press the button. You can choose the option, but basically if you ask it a question, you can and it answers you. Instead of having to press the button again, or instead of having to say the prompt, you can just continue on the conversation. But once again, I bought this on Amazon. If you want one, there's going to be a link in the description. I think it's worth checking out. The one downside to this is that it doesn't have shades protection. So if you're outside and you want to have a sunshade as well as the glasses, well, you sort of don't have that option. You are limited to just the AI glasses. It doesn't have a camera, and not everybody wants a camera.